Boost Auto here, and today we are going to be installing our heated lower glass upgrade kit for 2015 style Chevy and GMC tow mirrors. Let's get into it.
From the factory, your upper tow mirror glass will be heated by default, but most users actually use the lower tow mirror glass more than the upper glass. With snow, ice, or frost on the glass, that can be hazardous. That's why Boost Auto came out with an upgrade kit so you can see behind you in any condition, including on the lower glass. This kit is plug and play and can mount to both your factory tow mirrors or aftermarket tow mirrors and can be installed in less than 10 minutes per side. You can find this part and many others, such as our tow mirror light upgrades, on our website at boostauto.com.
The first step is to take the top section of glass on your mirrors and tilt up as far as it will go. Then using your thumbs, push up on the glass to unseat it from the housing. If your mirror glass does not slide up, you can simply pull on the glass towards you, applying even pressure to remove it. You can replace your upper glass at the same time if you'd like by picking up a new set on our website. Next, tilt the bottom glass all the way down, grab the upper edge, and pull the glass to disengage it from the housing. Next, we'll take the heated lower glass upgrade harness in your kit and the heat shrink that came with it. Cut the heat shrink in half, creating two pieces. Then slip each piece over one of the exposed male terminals on your harness. Plug the male terminals on the harness into your factory upper glass defrost wires that came off your upper mirror glass. Once connected, slide the heat shrink up over the terminals. Use a heat gun to shrink them into place. Take the two longer wires from the harness and connect those to the new lower glass in your kit. Once connected, line up the glass with the mounting location on the mirror and snap it back into place. Now use the remaining two wires from the harness and plug them into the upper glass defrost terminals. Then reinstall the 2-pin connector for the turn signal. Now reposition the mounting plate and make sure that when reinstalling the glass that the stabilizer pins are in front of these tabs. Then, push down on the top edge to secure the glass back into place. And with that, your new heated lower glass is installed. Check out these and all sorts of other parts on our website, like our mirror lights and a bunch more for these trucks. Check them all out at boostauto.com. We'll catch you on the next one. The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.